The good old Tim Hortons. Got some Irish mosh. On a cold winter day, Tim Hortons saves another day. Irish mosh or Tim Hortons, which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, please share, like, and subscribe. On a cold, snowy day, only thing we have is Tim Hortons coffee. So good, so delicious. Keeping us warm on a cold winter day. This is a beautiful snowy day. Got 35 centimeters of snow today. Beautiful trees. Let's go to Jamaica, enjoy the beach and the sunshine. Hey Jeff, next week you'll be out of all this. You'll be on the beach, enjoying the sunshine. The Britannia, the Jane Couye. This is what it looks like in southern Ontario on a cold, snowy day. Good morning. It's a snowy day. Everything's shut down today. Buses aren't even moving. Berjanka, do you want to live in this or do you want to move to Jamaica and live in the beautiful sunshine? So Berjanka, we're going to move to Jamaica. Nada and Milo will come and visit us. So you don't have to shovel any more snow. You can be sitting on the beach, enjoying the beautiful weather. This is life in southern Ontario.